We are trying our best to convince the citizens of Shillong, which is the headquarters of the state of Meghalaya, to please consolidate your valuable support for the NPP. Meghalaya is now 50 years of age. We are now a mature state, and we have this strong conviction that leaders should consolidate together, because we know that Meghalaya is not politics or an electorate that is based on parties, but it is based on individuals. We are trying to speak to as many leaders across the board in the Khasi region as well as in the Jantia region to consolidate. Let leaders by example join together and see the creation of one Meghalaya, so that we can by ourselves, for ourselves, govern the state and take the state forward. Give us this opportunity, give us this chance. We have a very dynamic team in the NPP. The people of the state of Meghalaya should have no reason not to vote for us. If I went with what I wanted personally, I wouldn't be here today, but we were thinking for the benefit of many and the larger interests of the state of Meghalaya. I Nonglam Ktien kaway bangi kwa ya jingbatai jingiatylli nakabanta jong pigi pa jong jingiatylli tingiwan hangling hatmat jong pi bangi da nginda appeal ye pi snohkti persan lem dia kapat NPP ya kan notice ya kan di India maka state jong inta hadin sampus nam jingdong do long slam jota nilala bangin sinsya daladi nakabenta lagi nimton kamu ki parti nongway ki ba ki parti nongway kum yami ki balakat ma di ko ni yayat niyo ikim don kata ka jingba kli kim don kata ka jingket kli kim don rutang khandet ya kata ka jing shon bangi don kampan pengkentil ya dan beri bekerja mo kita candidates iba lang raksang kita get friend ne kasni iba ransom iba 103 kali ya ki candidates to me kaya gajing mo ki island ini mata kasni ba national sitting can win nakabenta ka NPP nin sawa nakabenta ka NPP nakabenta ka jing hajo bari ni para ni e but Kamantoy la da PDP da fiesyo maway parti pero kaya tongin niya wan lang tongin niya tali lang tongin niya pet hato nga ni emban po siya katakato siya dyan compare nga si met na kwa kanya iyute hindi nga yung iba marway na nakitong po siya lada nga yay siyong marway lada nga yay pagkatang niya kijing dawa kijing dongkang jong nga si met klang da pet lang niya katakajing ito din kamot niya po siya sur ka ba tali berbuatan di sur ka ba ya tali tingnan mo ang compare naman haswa jong kajingdon jong nga hapan ni kapati balingawan siya ni kapati nalapan like ibubun ki pati sa kapati hindi balinga ko apan siya ni kapati baning kong kanil ni kapati ka balong try ha kajala jong ngiti ka NPP hato ka ni kapati nung way kamplay kapati nung way we do not speak in anticipation of the things that we can do. But at least when more minds get together, there will be hope for the state of Meghalaya. Individually, one cannot do much. I could have gone to any party. Fortunately, I was one of those few that was fortunate to have been invited by several political parties. Why did I choose NPP? I am aware of some of the errors that this government is probably to be taken responsibility of. But this government, is it alone in this state of Meghalaya, or is it a coalition government? All parties are equally responsible So therefore, I only say one thing. Let us consolidate, let us see whether we can provide for the people of the state of Meghalaya, one Meghalaya first among leaders. Hakakam jong kata ka jingiatylli yaw doyo. So what kadukti tang siya kuwi kasi. Pero kimano pa di kita ki players. Ki players kidi nakaparti ayo. Tinray habang iong. Bangi di bante lekam. Ya kata ka jing kayi be am yaw doyo. Titongin niya kren kanya kata. Kaya ka bangi hable. Di balay kim pelat jingi pa de. Balay badon kita gijing te gijirwat ki makipat pa jungi saudong kari Meghalaya kimla show pa niya kamay kaji. Ngitip siya baka Janti Hills. Ngitip siya baka West Khasi Hills. Kadon kam bran ban penbet ya kani kakam kayi yaw do yung baka longno kajing kayi ka bakoy. Kabalay jam dan balay ay. Nga tengong ipi kani ka sorta kan sapusang kanya kata. Don mangiti manginya kan tu banyele kata. Piset ya kakana kabam kadi jung kibriyo. Doong yang hak Janti Hills niya ha West Khasi Hills. Da kanopat kalentipin ka daw ikibagin niya kamay kaji. Ya haba ka daytang kata kalentiban niya ya kakamay ka kaji kubakot yung suba. Ditongin niya pakan. Kani ka sokar kala shim kita kikendon jam jung ki kababon. Nray nga ong yung ki. Shuya kawang kti, siya kawang kti. Kamangaro. Boros ka tu balay nga hama. Bangakwa ban yu I bakinong song snong jong kajela kajungi kinyon o yakat kakop pan kamay yung tao duyong kin. Toong piya. Dang don show da kaway pat ka resource ka baka ni kajela kajungi kalaban tayo ladi. Timenta nga ong anklet no yakat taba niya tali kaway shwa. Nga ong ipitang kaway. Pat don kanukun kasokar kabalanut. Banyen. Bat batai bniah. Bniah syong bniah keren berupat pa. Ya kita kijing don kang ban penbet itu sang. Kajing jah mo kuro. Mano bempat ke dono. Paro mipat ke dono. Bat balay yang don si kajing ya keren hari kajing jah kamu kuro apalagi kesokar jelang Meghalaya kasakar asam atau kisah Sngap nanti atau kisah dia semua ya kajing keren jong Chief Minister, jong ka asam halor kami kam. Ngilong itang, nray pingan niya to ikisi para kakami ka doon samot ikon. Hakapor baka hap ha, yan na kita kijing doon, kijing ban ay lang ikita ikon samot. Pinyo iba kang doon ikita kijing yahod. Toy lili sing tau po usam. Ubayad na siliyang kajala, siya siliyang kajala. Nga ong ipin. Ka phase 1, kabenta ka balingkong, jong kajing penbet yung tao po usang, kiladet isyong. Ibabon balang, iba siyong tao po usang, ngumat kung bakilaya ko. Ngamday kaway na kita kinong yalam jong kitupitahan, bang batay mga larong-larong, nrengatip siya kaway. Baladaki MLA, kibadon ha kita ki regional committees, kilaya telilang Sngap ya kata kajing keren halor kata kajing penpet ya upot usang mangigi ba siyang masulong ngam taray pingi datit bniah kumbatit kito kiyamali tau kan sapoy kapor mapin si ui bikin nang wan susu kiyamali ibadon na gitu gitan ha kata kapor kisa kunini renga ngoong lipi hato kanito sorkar kamlang persyang bangayo iya kata kajing persyang do takadawa man siya kaman. Ngatip nginom na man punhun niya bro. Nray lada mangiki kasi kijentiya ngiyay tan ikanipkam kan yay longpun niya. Hindi ban kahit match gibay pat giba siyong hakajo kajala hakabaki Sngap ikinong yalang kijungki nakabanta kajungki atau upur usam jungki upya atau upur usam jungki upuma titongin niya long no kajak pangriyo ka majungki chinay kata kadi kajing yung ijong nga ngatip kindan gibag condemn niya kajing keren ijong nga Nray kadlo niya way hapsim niya kita kisenja kibalik si bro inom yun taba at least wadon kajing persyang kermen batang sudah ke election hajar akulay kanika kam on sala on penday panyag nga nung ipiha kata kapor kindan ni ibanuhon tinray hapsim pat em ni karan doon kay UDP, don ka HSPDP, don ka BJP, don ki Kertong Marway, lahat to katamla day don perukat ki parti. Tetapi ong ini wadia bochu ikta ki parti dia sengbiang sedikit ki parti ini. Manang pen taju shu ikni kam sang parti. Ko ai banya dia minum ya di parti shu ni sino. Hapdeng jong kata kajing don kita kijing keno bakanaru ni hapti banrai sino banai. Nilai sim emang kata rai dengan dia sina na parti. Balai pun don senia ini. Don kajing senia ini nong yalam. Ya se kibi kitan. Judon mo gibri gibakren ben gibakren shop iginong yalam. Kung mapiyo katan jumi. Buram se iginong yalam na jong. Hoon. Don kajing mo yasong tulang. Kamrilay. Kila bandan lang kajong ko point of view. Tinray burong tengi iginong yalam. Tongin niya lang no kajat bandriyo kamayo cingay kita kiikibro. Hoon. Kila bandan nga eleksyon. Kindon giba komen. Dre giba komen to. Kadi kasurupad na. Kin komen si pungut kin ong no babaro kila ong buka. Tita eleksyon kan sa panisay amini. Nirungin siya persyang nang konsulto para jat bandriyo kita kiikig cinta no. Naman nadapi keno ya ke MDA di biak keno lagi parti no. Nalajan election pak kini orang TV ni. Ngangam don for wani ko. Ako ang pet kumu mila penteli kawai. One Meghalaya. Kam don ke infighting. Kadang ke jingiatylli pada ginong yalang. Kawai ke mga burong pala. Bat ngam kwa ruban yu baki parti kiya pat kiya pia hapo kasanito. Kata ka di ko, wait, number 1. Agenda jo nga ka mga yu hakini. Kabaan. Kilale sipon kikam. Kibanirap ya kilongying kibaper. Judon mo kita kisurka, kibaay, kita kiskin, kibakat kini, kibapiit, macampi. Ngi hason yung juyo ito yung ka-focus. Namantangi yung ka-focus, kibay pakiparti liberal lang ako nikasurka yung bamday ban ayaw ki. Taray mo kikin. Kataka focus 1, focus 2, prime Meghalaya. Toong cases, start-up Meghalaya. Kibabuan kikikon sa mla, gibalalaman sang. Kinagijong kikam. Babuan bahagi sa mla yung ikiblayo, ikikam, kibarit. Kateka ID pa ang tay. Kibabuan kikam, kibagilane. Achievement ka ba ngayon mga hikalong mahapdeng kataka huri-hura. Hapdeng kataka challenge jong kajingpang klam ko syirkega. Kani kasokat at least kalalakan survive 5 years. Ni paranong yale election day. Ni UI baka doon kataka survival of the NPP. Talagang hila nila yung tayo. Kailang yung ka, let's sit ang kamba. Nihapur siyang kumay. Nahulong parti ka man lang. Siyang tigaway ni Kitay na bang. Kitay na jong. The drop-down menu. What is the drop-down menu? I have to select. And I have selected NPP without any regret. Ambitious and jump the gun. Voice of the people, it says. Government, democracy, by the people, for the people. But if you're asking me whether NPP will work hard to win all seats, then yes, we will work hard. We hope that this hard work we put in will materialize into good result. Now it's for the people to decide. People will decide, people will give the mandate. And I have seen the pattern of governance, fortunately, because I've been around for some time now. 2008, you saw a hung house. 2013, you saw a consolidated vote because people have just experienced the setbacks of a hung house. 2018, again, you saw confusion. Hopefully, 2023 will be bang on. Let the people give their mandate. Do not indulge in gossip. Do not get swayed by big parties from mainland India who have all the wherewithal to blind you. Please do not allow anyone to blind you with messages which are meaningless. Don't allow these rich political parties from outside of the state to come and sway the public into utter confusion. We must consolidate. I'm hoping we'll consolidate. I'm looking forward to a mandate from the people of Shillong to help us give you a better government. Ampareen Lyngdoh never enters proxy into another political party. By example, I have shown you. If a party no longer requires my services, I will resign. And I have resigned. I'm not going through the skylight, I'm not going through the window into somebody's house. I resigned this morning before I declared my candidature from the MPP after they have accepted me. So don't allow proxy entry of political parties into the state of Meghalaya. It will result in unhealthy politics. Who will lose out in the long run? Not individual candidates, but the people in general. What is the pulse of my people? The pulse of my people in my visit door to door. I'm a person who works very hard. I've tried my best to consult with every citizen in my constituency. Their voices. If you have to leave the Congress because of these situations, go to the MPP. And that is what is guiding me forward. I will take my refuge there. I will work hard. Now that I am the official candidate of the BJP for 16 East Shillong, I will go back to my people. I will explain to them in case there are still some who don't. But don't expect 100% votes for Ampareen Lyngdoh. There will also be other candidates who will get their own share of pockets of votes. I hope I've made myself clear. I do not bargain. Juday kami bargain lupa. Iba po ang political parties na kampuro may kikilaong, kilatarwa. Ringit lang mo, piligid na pa. Iyan ang nakasulpa pa ka. Buong lesi, nagitay paro, la ka nila partido. Ngam julet sa kapartiban liman. Ngalet, bangin niya consult, bangin niya merging mo, bangin niya snohkti lang. Nang malasay, nginya nga, bangin niya serve better. Ngam no, pag-aw, magaling ka sorta, kay maya ay, lamay ay, kaya na. Laay habi. Kasyong nga ka jingla, yung ibang pinyaday, pinyak yung kasorta. Kamday ka ba siya? Nidon kaya mali funds. Pandaday ka kinang ban pinyak ma, yung kaya mali funds, ban yo, ban bahalem di, yung funds yung Subo siya ka unemployment kaya ay baki ang itinalakan kaya kanya consumption yung naka-unemployment nakadaw yung ka unemployment underemployment di ko po hindi kami lang di ka ba arpat dalong kikampanroy o ninyo shoot ito yung scheme ba na mabangisyong sa opposition kiti mudur kong lo kim ay kata kadai gawai na kata tabangin hap iba na siyem kung ilong ya le election mag harin ba job isip kwa iba doon akaruling dia panet siya opposition na ba ang mga ngasyong kitang kabal ba habadon ka mon matry ka lang di rula iba sinalam ta ka constituency baka sulong bang iba pon pag ikam iba umenta nga ha konsumsi na yo yung tiling beautification scheme. Kabapoy, di bakla nga imat dyan after. Pagdaday ba nga na opposition, di kami yung shoot. Kami yung pandep di tiles niya, pandep tang kandep po, doon na niya doon sa talo doon. At least matanga sa kanuan. Isurok kung masaw tuloy, sakon. Ayaw sulong na sakon. Magtapat na lalage sa talo, yun, okay. Magsil, diba niya fedod sa talo, magkwate, nakapunta. Performance index ko ba kiong mo kinong siyong jong ka constituency bun sindi ki juray ban bun ki nong yalang lara kila tray mo katama di hakata balong rin mo di kadon ba siya ndon magwa mo no mo siya opposition ang parabot na nga ipat na so